TGITF, thank God it's Tyco Friday. Yeah. I did one like this a while back. I said Vette right here on the side in white letters. V-E-T-T-E. This is a different one. This one comes a 440, a Magnum 440, or it comes Cliffhanger. And this one just happens to be Magnum. White hubs. Yeah. Black mirrors. And it has Vette on the windshield. I'll bring it right here and we'll check the bad boy out. Yeah, she looks pretty cool. These side mirrors are soft plastic. Yeah. On a Magnum chassis. Oh yeah, you got 75. Wow. 78. Wow. I think she'll hit 3 once the gear oiled up. That's real nice. Just a little noise. Just nothing a little. Oil won't help. Oh yeah. Yeah, this may be a. I think that this is for a guy pin for an rear butt. I don't think one of these will fit on there. Yeah, I'm not even gonna try it. Yeah, the hole looks too big in it. But I'm gonna put some oil on it. I'm not sure if this gear meshing it's gonna accept this oil and go smoothly or not. Probably not. 75, yeah. 77, 78, 79, 80. Let's see if she'll hit 3. It may not. What's her up there in the book? Number 11. No Corvette on the side. There's no Corvette on the side. I did the one with Corvette on the side, and this one right here. So it's that. I did that one. And now I'm doing this one. I have all these. Just about every one of them. Yeah. Number 11. Number 11. 81, 82, 440. 8912. It's a 4 availability. Number 11. White, red, number 3 is a Vette. That's in the windshield, not on the side, with red side stripes. Yeah. Side mirrors molded separately and stuck into body. That's what they are. There we go, we got 3 out of it. Yeah, I knew it could. Alright, let's take this bad boy over to the track and take it for a test drive. Oh, this thing's live. Yeah, she's launching. Maybe I should have put the high bank turns down here at this time. Yeah. This car's really fast. I'm barely giving it any. It runs real nice. Yes, sirree. Magnum 440. Pretty cool car. No Vette on the side, but it has a sticker on the windshield. Yes, sir. Magnum 440. Hope you guys like that Corvette. I think I'll be doing Corvettes on Fridays. So I get a bunch of them done. I got over 100 of them. I've done like maybe 20 of them. Need to get about 30 more done. Yeah. Well, hope to see you guys tonight. Yeah, hope to see you guys tonight. And yeah, I'll be going live about 7:15 p.m. Eastern, not Central, Mountain, Pacific, Eastern time. And yeah, I'll be building a pit kit, and yeah, we'll be drinking, having a good time, and yeah, that's it. Appreciate you guys coming in, checking out the video. And what else I got to say? Gotta say something. Yeah. Another Corvette Friday in the books. Alright, everyone. I will see you guys tonight. If I don't, you guys have a great week. And I said great week on the last video, great weekend on this one. You guys have a great weekend. And if I do see you tonight, have a good weekend anyway. And see you guys tomorrow night at Scott's. And, yeah, Tuesday at Bob's, Electric Avenue for Hofra. Wednesday night, yes, Wednesday night over at Adams, Slot Cars and More for auction. Well, he actually sells them. He doesn't auction them all. And, yeah, Thursday, PTT, his auction, and then Kenton's at 7:15. Kenton has a great show. Yeah. He lets people come on, does StreamYards. You can go on there and show off, pimp your layout, anything you have, RC cars, planes, yeah, tanks, whatever you have. Yeah, trains, planes, trains, and automobiles. Yes, sir. And then back on Friday, back here with me. All right. Appreciate you guys coming in and checking out the video, and I will catch you guys tonight or whenever, later.